Hey guys, Ultimate DIY Guy here. Now, in this video, unfortunately, I do not have any video of me removing the brake system or me actually removing the wheel hub itself. I wasn't even supposed to do that when I came to do this job. I'll show you the code, the code number that came up, and all I needed to do was just remove the ABS sensor. Now, when I actually went to remove the ABS sensor, it basically was stuck inside the knuckle. When that happens, you have really two options. You either have to decide to either try to get some pliers and pull it out, which usually doesn't work, or you have to drill it out. Now, some ABS sensors do stick out in the back, so you don't have to actually remove the hub. But for this car, I think this car is a 2015, if I'm not mistaken, the ABS sensor actually goes into the hub itself. So, what I had to do was get yourself a 32 millimeter axle nut. With the 32 millimeter axle nut, use a half drive ratchet. Don't use an actual breaker bar. Breaker bars are thin. Use the half drive. Use both of the cheater bars off of your jack stands, and you have to pull down really hard. I'm about to say it's about, I think they're torqued to like 200 foot-pounds, something like that. Break the axle nut, break your wheel lugs, get it up in the air. Once you actually get to removing the axle nut itself, watching the video, if you learn how to install it, you'll know how to remove it. Nice and quiet. Yep, yeah, you can hear the difference.
You played that boy.
.32 millimeter. All right. Before you start putting the brakes back on, you do not have to completely remove the fender liner. Just remove enough clips so that you can access the back of it and get to the sensor. And then I'll show you how to do the rest. But basically, get to the back, pull that sensor out. You know, obviously disconnect all the mounting points where the ABS sensor is. Get your new ABS sensor, walk it into place. And then once you get your ABS sensor in, then you can start putting your brakes back on. Push that tab down, pull it out.